All right, this is the latest from Victoper. This is the 2-pack of rechargeable headlamps. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. And as you can see, it's pretty bright. So you get a set of instructions. You get two 1-foot power cords to charge it up because they are rechargeable right here. And when you charge it up, a series of lights comes on, and when you hit the 5th light, it is fully charged. These lights are IPX4 waterproof, so it's good for light rain or light snow. It's got a couple of temple pads right here, and it's actually pretty comfortable. And this is a nice soft rubber right here for your forehead. The light itself actually moves in a 90-degree angle. The elastic strap on here is adjustable. You can adjust it right here. So the middle button here goes through all of the functions, and you can do them manually right here. You press it once, you get the bright light on the band, bright light on both. You get the battery saving light, you get the flashing light, red flashing, and off. The third button over, you get lights on the back. It's on the back of your head right here. So you got white light, you've got red light, and you've got an alternating flashing between the white and the red and off. And here's the feature I really like on this. This button on the left gives you 4 different lights, right? You got 1, 2, 3, 4, and off. So you can set the light to whatever you want. Like for instance, let's say we want both of these bands bright. Well, this red light right here indicates that it is in infrared mode, and you can see that there's 2 infrared sensors on the side right here. So once you get it set to the light power that you want, you can just wave your hand and it turns it on or off, which I think is a great feature. The light lens is actually zoomable, so we could zoom this down by pulling the lens out. That's a cool feature. Look at that. That shed out there is about 40 feet away. There's the main light. There's the halo light. You can see right there. There's both of them. There's the dim version. Flashing. The red light. Flashing red light. Now I've got this set up to the infrared. The cool thing about this is just wave my hand, turn it off, turn it on. There's the first one on the backlight, rear of your head. Second one on the backlight, the rear of your head. Pretty wild. This thing works great. So if you're looking for a great headlamp to take with you camping, on your nightly jogs, your nightly walks, dog walks like I do, or maybe just to have for emergency situations around the house or working in dark closets or basements, if you're a contractor, the Victoper headlamp.